Roedd na 37 saflan gwahanu Corries Caerydd o'r bedwaredd haen a'r Drenewydd o'r uwch gyngred, ac roedd y gwahaniaeth mewn safon yn amlwg. Jake Walker gynt o Aston Villa a rhoi'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Roedd Zeli Ismail cyn chwarae'r Wolves yn dangos I dalent lawr y dde. Groesiad yn cael ei benio nôl gan Matthew Jones a gol hawdd I Louis Robles i'w gwneud hi'n ddwy. Ond be am hon gan Brett Taylor yn torri mlaen o'r cefn a bron a thorri'r rhwyd gyda gergyd anhygoel. Am ffordd I sgorio gol gyntaf i'r clwb. Trodd tair yn bedair wrth I Louis Robles rowlio'r bel rownd y golwr cyn pasio'n anhunanol I Aaron Williams gael ymuno'n yr hwyl. Tydi'r Drenewydd heb gael dechrau rhydd air tymor, ond wrth I Brett Taylor benio'r bimad, roedd Chris Hughes yn gobeithio mai dyma'r hwb oedd I dîm I angen I ddechrau tanio yn y cyngred. A doedd yr Robiniaid yn cymryd dim tosturi wrth I Nick Rushton rwydo'r chwechad i'r clwb yn illodd gêm yn Ewrop dros yr haf. Roedd y Drenewydd yn amlwg yn cael llwyddiant lawr yr asgell dde, croesiad Ismail yn creu'r seithfed I Louis Robles. Ac roedd amser am 8fed gol cyn yr egwyl. Ond nid i'r ymwelwyr y tro yma. Chris Quick yn syrthio ac yn sydyn roedd na siawns i'r Corries. Aaron Davies yn curo Dave Jones o'r smotyn. Game on. Ac wedi'r wledd o goliau yn yr hanner cyntaf, dim ond un gawson ni yn yr ail hanner. Louis Robles oedd eisoes wedi sgorio ddwywaith yn creu am y trydydd tro. A Nick Rushton yn coroni pnawn cofiadwy i'r Drenewydd.
You know, sometimes when you play games like this, people talk about the lower teams raising the game, and we talked all week about making sure that we were right and we do the things that we're good at and follow the processes that we follow. And I thought we did that ever so well. I think we scored 7 goals or 6-7 goals in the first half, which you know, put the game to bed and the tie to bed. And you know, the longer the game goes on, they're still in it. You know what happens in football. So really pleased from that point of view. You know, we started really well, scored some really good goals as well, and yeah, it was a good day for us, and you know, it was an important distraction for us, obviously, with you know, the last few results in the league not going the way we wanted them to. You know, it was important we come down here and got into the hat, and that's what we've done. You know,
we're going into the game, I thought, as long as we kept it tight for the first 10-15 minutes, I thought, you know, make it hard for them. They scored early on, and then the golfing class showed, you know, that they're where they are for a reason. But yeah, you know, it was tough afternoon.
The first half, we just wanted to keep it moving, get the ball in play. They made it really difficult for us, especially in the second half. We brought in some players who started knocking it around nice, but yeah, job was done at half time really. Yeah.